The immersion program was great, and the learning and the approach the teachers are teaching and great actually. I am Soumik. I am currently working in Flipkart, and I am currently in supply chain analytics course by Imarticus. The course helped in introduction multiple tools like Python and R and W. This kind of tools that are currently being used in modern market. So this kind of software that are being used has helped me to garner knowledge about more about the supply chain and the analytics part of it. Currently, I am working in supply warehouse operations job. The course basically focuses on analytics part, and I am currently wanted to focus more on the analytics parts of the supply chain. That's why I opted for this course. It was great. To be very fair, the immersion program was great, and the learning and the approach the teachers are teaching and great actually. The regular support from the teachers and the Imarticus and that I got. Definitely, it is a modern day course, and the support that I got from Imarticus is also great.